A massive force awakens in the dust of this busy construction zone. Steel giants, fueled by power and precision, dig deep into the earth, lifting, swinging, and loading with unstoppable dominance. Take a closer look at how Caterpillar's legendary machines shape the land and keep the world moving forward. Today, you're about to witness the brutal strength and smooth control of the CAT 374D and CAT 365C excavators in full action, loading huge dump trucks non-stop. In this video, we take you right into the core of the operation. Watch how these machines coordinate with skilled operators, trucks rolling in perfectly timed cycles, and materials moving efficiently from ground to transport. Stay with us to explore real specifications, operator techniques, and incredible power that makes these machines leaders in heavy construction and earth moving. Now let's dive into the action. The first beast in front of us, the Caterpillar 374D, a large hydraulic excavator built to dominate demanding job sites. Watch closely as the camera zooms in to the massive boom and heavy-duty stick working together. This excavator delivers over 476 horsepower from its CAT C15 ACERT engine. Every movement you see is backed by hydraulic force built for maximum digging and loading performance. Look at that powerful bucket, capable of holding over 4 cubic meters of material per scoop. And here you can see it clearing tons of earth within seconds. As the 374D swings to the side, a Mercedes or MAN dump truck positions itself underneath with absolute precision. The timing is key. The operator keeps the cycle short and efficient, minimizing idle time. One scoop, then another, dirt cascading into the bed of the truck like a waterfall of raw earth. You can feel the machine's strength through the screen, the ground shivering under the weight of progress. Now let's shift our attention to the CAT 365C, another monster in the lineup. Slightly smaller, yet every bit as aggressive in performance. Powered by a CAT C15 engine, producing around 365 horsepower, this machine is built for speed in heavy earth-moving operations. Take a look from this angle. Notice how efficiently the operator pushes the bucket deep into the pile. The sturdy undercarriage keeps the excavator stable, even with full bucket loads high in the air. Construction efficiency is all about balance between power and productivity. These operators are not just digging dirt, they're managing time, controlling machine strain, and coordinating the perfect loading cycle. As the camera pans across the worksite, pay attention to how every truck arrives already waiting for its turn. The moment one truck pulls forward fully loaded, another one slides immediately into place. No downtime, pure workflow excellence. The bucket teeth of both excavators are built to crush hard-packed soil with ease. The reinforced steel can handle rock, clay, gravel, whatever the job demands. Deep in mining and quarrying jobs, machines like CAT 374D and CAT 365C are the heroes responsible for output measured in thousands of cubic meters daily. And here, in this operation, they are performing flawlessly. Trucks loaded in minutes, material moved without hesitation. Look closely at the operator cabin, designed to keep drivers comfortable during long, intense shifts. High visibility windows, smooth joystick controls, and powerful hydraulic systems prevent fatigue and increase accuracy. That means better loading, faster cycles, safer operations. Notice the small adjustments the operator makes every time the bucket swings, almost like a dancer maintaining rhythm with the music of machinery. Let's talk about the swing motion, one of the most important parts of efficient truck loading. The 374D rotates quickly but smoothly, placing earth exactly where required with no unnecessary correction. This saves time on every bucket. Over a full shift, these saved seconds become massive productivity gains. Watch from this close-up angle. The bucket unloads without bouncing, preventing truck sidewalls from damage and keeping load distribution balanced. Every engine roar tells a story. High torque, low RPM efficiency, advanced cooling systems allowing long working hours even in rough heat and dusty environments. The heavy steel structure absorbs shock forces from digging, protecting the machine's arm, cylinders, and hydraulic components. These excavators are built to last, often working 12 to 18 hours a day in some projects. As the trucks move toward the dump site, the work doesn't stop. New trucks arrive. Operators communicate through simple gestures and precise timing. This is teamwork between man and machine, and look how natural it seems. The camera shifts behind the excavator, giving us a striking angle of the counterweight balancing the massive reach and load up front. The Cat 374D's counterweight alone is heavier than a small car. That's what keeps the machine grounded. Let's highlight fuel efficiency. Caterpillar designs these hydraulic systems to reduce energy loss, more digging power using less fuel, and smarter hydraulic demand that adjusts timing automatically. That's why excavators like these remain leaders around the globe, from construction sites to quarries, from mining pits to infrastructure mega projects. Take a moment to appreciate the operator's expertise. Every inch of bucket placement is calculated. Too deep? Extra power wasted. Too shallow? Poor load per cycle. Here, watch as the operator taps the soil pile cleanly, ensuring nothing hangs from the bucket edge. That small detail prevents spills and keeps the site cleaner and safer. The MAN and Mercedes-Benz dump trucks pairing with these excavators are built to carry massive loads. Their reinforced beds withstand impact from each bucket. Strong braking systems prevent stress even when driving fully loaded on uneven terrain. This combination, Cat excavators with European heavy-duty trucks, creates a powerhouse logistics chain that keeps material flowing continuously. Dust rises with every move. Sunlight glints across steel. The engines rhythmically driving forward. Construction in its most honest form. Hard work, big challenges, real results. These machines transform landscapes, carving new paths, foundations, and opportunities for future development. Let's check in with the CAT 365C again. Watch from this crane-style angle. The operator swings with extraordinary precision, limiting truck repositioning. Efficiency is not just machine size, it's skill. It is experience learned over thousands of hours in the seat. A professional operator can move more material in shorter time, saving the company huge operating costs. We are now approaching mid-shift in this operation. Notice there's no slowdown. Engine performance remains consistent. Hydraulics maintain their pressure. This is Caterpillar reliability, where uptime is everything. Contractors around the world trust CAT machines because when the work gets tough, they still deliver. And now, as dusk approaches, the machines remain unstoppable. The site continues in its rushing tempo, each completed truckload bringing the project closer to completion. What you are watching is the beating heart of industrial progress. If you're enjoying this real heavy worksite action, make sure to hit that like button right now. Comment below and tell us which machine impressed you more today, the mighty CAT 374D or the fast and efficient CAT 365C. And if you're passionate about powerful construction machines, don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos every week. Before we wrap up, take one more look from this wide cinematic angle. Both excavators working side by side, synchronized giants shaping terrain with controlled aggression. The CAT 374D tearing through deep soil and rock. The CAT 365C keeping production fast and steady. Trucks constantly cycling through, ready for the next load. This is heavy machinery excellence. Thank you for watching massive CAT 374D and 365C excavators loading trucks. Powerful machine worksite action. We hope you enjoyed the detailed look into these workhorses in action. Stay tuned. More incredible machines and job site footage are coming soon. The next video will take you to an even bigger and more intense construction site. You won't want to miss it. Until then, stay strong, stay curious, and keep watching the world of heavy equipment at work. See you in the next one.